Let's talk about something that's on most young people's mind: how to make money as a teenager. Maybe you want to save for something big, like your first car, or you're just tired of asking your parents for cash. Whatever your reason, I've got you covered with strategies that really work. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a solid plan to start earning and managing your own money. Ready? Let's get into it. Making money as a teenager isn't just about earning cash. It's about learning valuable skills, building independence, and setting yourself up for success later in life. The good news is, whether you have a lot of free time or just a little, there are opportunities out there for everyone. We'll explore online options, local gigs, creative hustles, and even ways to make passive income. And don't worry, I'll break it all down so it's simple and actionable. Before we jump into specific money-making ideas, let's talk about what you need to get started. First, understand your time. Do you have a couple of hours after school? Weekends free? Or just the summer? Knowing your schedule helps you pick the right gig. Next, think about your skills. Are you good with technology, creative, or a people person? This will help narrow down your options. Lastly, consider your goals. Are you saving for something specific or just looking for some spending money? Knowing this keeps you motivated. Let's talk about making money online. It's a game changer because you can work from anywhere, even your room. One of the easiest ways to start is freelancing. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you offer skills like graphic design, writing, or even video editing. Don't have a skill yet? No problem. Platforms like Canva make graphic design easy to learn, and you can take free courses on YouTube to learn the basics. If freelancing feels too advanced, consider surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks and Amazon's Mechanical Turk pay you for simple jobs like answering questions or tagging photos. And if you're into gaming, look into streaming on platforms like Twitch or creating gaming tutorials for YouTube. The key here is consistency. The more you stick with it, the more you earn. Online isn't your only option. Local gigs can be super rewarding and often pay well. Babysitting is a classic choice parents are always looking for responsible teens. Dog walking and pet sitting are great if you love animals. Check out apps like Rover to get started. If you're more hands-on, lawn mowing, car washing, and even helping neighbors with odd jobs can bring in solid cash. And don't overlook part-time jobs like working at a local store or cafe. These jobs not only pay, but also teach you important skills like time management and customer service. If you're creative, you're in luck. Selling handmade items on Etsy, like jewelry, artwork, or even digital products, can be a fun way to earn money. Or, if you're into fashion, start a thrift flipping business. Buy clothes cheaply at thrift stores, spruce them up, and sell them online for a profit. And if you're good at photography or making videos, offer your services for events like birthdays or family portraits. Let's not forget passive income, the dream of earning money while you sleep. If you're good at writing, consider publishing an ebook on platforms like Amazon. Love teaching? Create a mini course on a platform like Teachable. And for those of you who are social media savvy, affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn commissions by promoting products. Just remember, passive income takes effort up front, but the long-term rewards are worth it. So there you have it, a ton of ways to make money as a teenager, whether you want to work online, locally, creatively, or even passively. The most important thing is to take action. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Start small and grow from there. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow for more tips like these. And if you're serious about building your financial future, check out my entire series on financial independence. I'll link it on the screen for you. Or if you're curious about personal finance, I've also linked one of my most popular videos right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.